Hi, it's Sajid Rahim here, extending a hearty welcome to this transmission of Daiji Global Panvision. First, the news headlines from abroad. Mangalorean student in Abu Dhabi, Joy Wilson D'Souza, wins Sastra Pratibha Contest 2007. Mangalorean Konkan Christian Association USA gets new office bearers. News headlines from Mangalore. Diwali celebrated with joy and pomp in Mangalore. Special children of Sanidhya celebrate a very special Diwali. A feature on Udupi hotels, tickling the world's taste buds. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song from Patrava Nights, a dance from Mandi Sobhan, a song from Arlandu Manas video album. And now, the news in detail. Mangalorean boy Joy Winston, studying in Abu Dhabi Indian High School in the faraway UAE, has brought laurels to his school and to his motherland by winning the prestigious Sastra Pratibha Contest 2007. Science India Forum UAE, in association with Vijnana Bharati India, had conducted the contest. Joy was the only Mangalorean student to qualify for the title Sastra Pratibha 2007 and become the UAE topper in his category. Joy Winston D'Souza, student of Abu Dhabi Indian School studying in grade 12, won the Sastra Pratibha Contest 2007. The prestigious Sastra Pratibha Contest was organized jointly by the Science India Forum UAE, Vijnana Bharati India, the Embassy of India UAE, and IDEA 26 Indian schools across UAE for the first time in May 2007. SPC is an inter-school science talent search examination initiated by Vijnana Bharati and is conducted at the schools across India and overseas. A total number of 9,986 students had participated in the contest. The evaluation of the exam was done by Vijnana Bharati at India. 22 students qualified for the title Sastra Pratibha Contest 2007. Mangalorean Konkan Christians Association USA, one of the reputed associations of Mangaloreans living in the States, got new office bearers. At the recently held executive committee meeting, Lawrence Mascarenhas was elected as the president of MKCA. Mark Rodriguez was elected as the vice president. Lawrence Mascarenhas was elected as the president of Mangalorean Konkan Christian Association USA for the year 2008-2009 at the recently held executive committee meeting. Mark Rodriguez was elected as the vice president, Wilcia D'Souza as secretary, Dorothy Rego as associate secretary, and Mercy Concesso as the treasurer. Later speaking on the occasion, Lawrence Mascarenhas said that leading a Mangalorean Catholic association anywhere in the world is a challenge. He said he would lead the association in the unification of Mangaloreans in Chicago. Mangaloreans celebrated Diwali, the Festival of Lights, one of the biggest festivals, with great zeal and enthusiasm on Thursday, November the 8th. After having a head bath early in the morning on Naraka Chaturdashi, the first day of Diwali, family members were seen wearing new clothes. The city was full with the noise of bursting crackers. In the evening, every household was lit with diyas or earthen lamps. Children enjoyed the holiday bursting crackers and tasting sweets. While the Mangaloreans celebrated Diwali with a bang, special children of Sanidhya and Bikarnakatte got a special Diwali gift. Youth from the Manjunath Friends Club decided to celebrate Diwali in a more meaningful way. They arranged for special Diwali celebration at Sanidhya School for special children at Bikarnakatte. We have a special report on this. When Mangaloreans across the city were seen celebrating Diwali with their families, young men of Manjunath Friends Club gathered at Sanidhya School meant for special children located at Bikarnakatte to celebrate Diwali in a more meaningful way. On Thursday, November 8th night, the school wore a festive look. The members of Manjunath Friends Club assisted special children to lit diyas and burst crackers with them. MLA Yogesh Bhatt made his presence felt with his encouraging words.
ದಯೆಯ ದೀಪ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಕಂಪ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರುಣೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾತ್ಸಲ್ಯ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿತ್ರತ್ವ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆತನ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಆ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ದೀಪ ಅದು. ಆ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬೆಳಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪಂದನ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬದುಕುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ದೀಪ ಅದು.
M.G. Hegde, chairman of Mangalore Institute of Fashion Technology, said that mental disability is neither a curse nor a sin. Entrepreneur Arun Coelho, former mayor Purandar Das Kulur and Manjunath Friends Circle President Gopal Krishna Mahabal Marla, president of the school, were present. The Diwali turned into a memorable one for the special children to whom life is a challenge. The innocent children, attired in colorful clothes, exhibited their talent by performing cultural programs. The celebrations concluded with a delicious dinner served at the end. On the whole, Manjunath Friends Club felt merriment not only in the school campus but also felt joy in the hearts of these children with special needs. Manjunath Friends Club has done their bit to brighten Diwali of special children of Sanidhya, making it more memorable for the children with special needs. Well, it's time for us to take a small commercial break. After the break, we will bring you a story on mouth-watering Udpi hotels, so don't miss it. We'll be right back.
Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property ಜನಮಾನಸದ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಪಡೆಯಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾಯಿನ ವಹಿವಾಟದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಉಂಡು ಲೇಔಟ್ ಉಂಡು ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಉಂಡು ಎಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸುಂಡು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಉಂಡು ರಂಗ ರಂಗದ ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ತೇಲಿಕೆ ನಲಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸಾರವು ನಂಬಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property.
ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
Welcome back. Indian cuisine is popular all over the world. It is famous for mouth-watering, irresistible taste that is a treat to a person's taste buds. One remarkable cuisine that has contributed to create a niche for itself in the world scenario of food among the other Indian eateries is the Udpi cuisine. In turn, Udpi hotels have acted as the brand ambassador of its birthplace.
Udpi, the land of divine beauty, a temple town and also a cultural heritage of the Dakshin Kannada district. It is sandwiched between the lush mountains of the Western Ghats on the east and the vast, soothing Arabian Sea on the west. The Udpi cuisine was originally started by the Shivalli Brahmins, though it is run by others as well now. The origin of this cuisine can be traced to Udpi Krishna Mat. As history had it, Lord Krishna is offered food of different varieties every day, but restrictions were imposed on the ingredients during Chaturmasa. These restrictions, coupled with the requirement of variety, led to innovation, especially in dishes incorporating seasonal and locally available materials. Pumpkins and gourds are the main ingredients, while sambar is prepared with ground coconut and coconut oil as its base. Rasam, a spicy pepper dish, is an essential part of the menu, and sour jackfruit, colocasia leaves, raw green bananas, mango pickle, red chilies and salt. Adyas, ajdinas and chutneys, including one made of the skin of rich gourd, are specialities. Buttermilk or curds is followed by a sumptuous meal of rice. Rasam or sambar, bhaji, kosambari, ajdina, spicy rice, fried items such as chakuli or vada.
We started in Udupi only because Udupi is famous for its food, the quality of the food. Udupi food is the traditional food. So people from other places, they copy the same and they are now doing the same food. But you can't have the same taste what you get in Udupi. So that is the speciality. Because usually the Udupi food, they don't use onion and garlic and not that much spicy. So it's like a very soft one. So you can have that taste throughout the day. Because if you go for spicy one, only one time you can take in a day. But Udupi food, you can throughout the day you can have, and there will not be any side effects of that.
This restaurant was started in the year 1942 by my father, late Sri Ram Naik. He is now known as father of Udupi because he was the first man to start Udupi Hotel in Bombay.
The tradition of sweet dish after a meal has been coming down since generations. Similarly, sweets constitute an important part of Udupi cuisine. Sweet dishes like maddi, kai holige, unde or laddu, paisa or kheer is relished after a wholesome Udupi meal. There are also other variety of sweets that are offered such as halwas made from jackfruit, pumpkin, bitter gourd, varieties of laddus, and the list goes on.
The preparations are very good. Sambars are and the price charged by them are within the reach of the common man. So that's why I'm visiting this hotel.
The rasam is very nice, especially here. The charu is very good.
Mitra Samaj in Udupi is the hotel where masala dosa was first made. They were the pioneers of making a dosa that popularly came to be known as Outlook Masala Dosa. These mouth-smacking delicacies are not only popular among the Indians but constitutes one of the top favorites of the foreigners as well.
In 1949, my father started the same thing, that is masala dosa, rolling it over like this and putting bhaji inside, and it's like in an oval shape. This is Outlook Masala. That is like 3.5 feet long one. So that is the specialty of ours. So usually they ask for that and we will be serving that only.
It is rightly said that a way to a man's heart is through his stomach, and that is the reason why the mouth-watering Udupi hotels are popular among the gourmets. With this, we will take another break here. On the other side of the break, we have lots of entertainment program. So don't go away. Stay tuned.
I had lot of dreams and Apurva made it possible.
ದುಂಬುಯಾನ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲಿ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡೈತೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಅನುಭವಡು ಅಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಕ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಉಂಟು.
ಅಪೂರ್ವಜ್ಗರ ಭಾರಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಜಾನಸ್. I am one of the happiest person in Apurva family.
Apurva builds homes, not houses. Home is a place where you will get happiness.
Apurva വീട് നല്ല സൗകര്യം നല്ല വീട്.
ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಿತ್ತೆ ಎಂಕ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಉಂಡು. ಅಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ವಾಸ್ತು ಐತ ಮಿತ್ತೆ ಎಂಕ್ 100% ಭರವಸೆ ಉಂಟು.